Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max App. To begin, download the application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open Max App and sign in with your existing account or create a new one. You can then set up multiple user profiles, allowing each person to have a personalized viewing experience. Explore the home screen to discover a wide array of movies, TV series, and exclusive originals, all available at your fingertips. Finding something great to watch is simple. Utilize the intuitive search bar to quickly locate specific movies, shows, or even your favorite actors. If you prefer to browse, navigate through various genres, networks, or specially curated categories. Don't worry about losing your place. The Continue Watching section conveniently saves your progress across all your devices, making it easy to pick up right where you left off. Personalizing your Max App experience is key to enjoying all its features. You can create up to 5 individual profiles, ensuring everyone in your household has their own tailored space. Each profile tracks unique watch histories and provides personalized recommendations based on viewing habits. For younger viewers, robust parental controls are available, allowing you to set content restrictions and manage access to age-appropriate programming with ease. To truly maximize your Max App experience, explore its advanced features. You can download hundreds of titles for offline viewing, perfect for travel or areas with limited internet access. Adjust video quality settings to either conserve mobile data or enjoy content in the highest available resolution. Additionally, managing your subscription, updating payment methods, and reviewing billing information are all conveniently accessible directly within the application settings menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.